today I'm going to be mounting this really cool handlebars lifting kit for the GTS1000. As we all know, the GTS bars are really too sporty to take long journeys on it. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do, we need to remove those little caps here, plastic cups that are covering the bolts. So I'm going to use a pick to do that, and it's no big deal, very easy to do. They pop right out. So next you'll see a bolt there which needs to be loosened up. So that's it. That's your bolt. Right now you can just pull the bar out and it's off. Okay, so the next step is going to be inserting this bar into that hole there. Okay, and also notice this bar will have this machined surface here, so it locks into place and will not move. So just make sure it's all sitting right. There we go. So now you're going to use the same bolt just to secure it. Okay, this is sitting really well now. And now we can put the cap back on so it looks nice again. Okay, next part going on is this lovely machined part which will go on that bar like this. And now we need to secure it by turning this bolt here. There we go, so it sits firm enough to install the bar on it. And now we simply get the bar and put it through that hole here. Now the way you secure the bar, you're going to have this bolt with a washer. You simply put it in here. That is it. The bar feels really nicely secured. We can now do the other one. Go.
And he'd never really done 2,000 miles, and I think it's still 2,000 miles. Quite the contrast.
Now here we have this part. Alright, that's going to be good for now, just to get the bar installed. To put the left bar back on this hanger, we're going to have to detach this little wire here which secures the cable. And to remove this, there's just going to be a bolt underneath the yoke. I believe it's a 10mm bolt. You unscrew it and that will come off. So 10mm spanner, just grab it from the bottom. Yeah, and now it's just going to be enough to turn it by hand. Okay. The bolt comes off, and as you can see, the little securing wire comes off as well. So let's just completely remove it now. Okay, so that's the part I'm talking about. So now we can comfortably put this bar in there. There we go. And we can secure it by this bolt with a washer. And there we go.
A few moments later.
The bars can be ordered. It's a custom made kit. There's a guy in Poland who actually does that. It's a CNC machined piece, so very high quality stuff. £90 is the cost. Delivered to the UK or anywhere in the world isn't the problem. He can do that fine. And this will give you exactly 2 inches of lift, so 5 centimeters. So ultimately the riding position is dramatically changed and it's so comfortable now. It's just fantastic. So the turning is absolutely okay on the left hand side. I must say on the right hand side the brake fluid reservoir just slightly touches here on the fairing, but it's not a problem. You still get full turn and it's not a big deal. I reckon this is a matter of just some adjustments. You can play around with this and you can get this perfect, I think. So that is it. Thanks for watching, hope this helps.